everyone, this is Anchal Mehrotra
and I am Oyas Mehrotra from class 5A.
And today we are making Bombay sandwich, which is absolutely flame free. Flame free means
absolutely no fire.
Correct. So now let's start preparing some yummy and delicious Bombay sandwich. For that, first you have to just put some butter, and Ojas will apply butter on the sandwiches. I'll help you out. So first you will apply some butter on all the slices. Till then, Ojas will help me making some nice sandwich. Now Ojas will apply, what do you like? Ketchup, chutney, what do you like?
I like ketchup.
So can you please put some ketchup on one of the slices?
Yeah.
And spread it? Yes, I will help you out in this. But I like chutney, so I will also apply some chutney on the sandwich. Now you have to keep this slices ready. Now in this plate, Ojas will start with his favorite. What is your favorite?
My favorite is kumbo.
Kindly help me out with this.
Now I will put some tomato.
Very nice. So now as you can see, this dish is very healthy, very easy to make. Everyone can enjoy in this summer season. Would you like to put some salt in this?
Yeah. A pinch of salt and some red chili.
Absolutely nice. Now I'll just cover it up with this, and now I'll put my favorite. Okay, I'm putting some onion, some carrot, and I love capsicum. Isn't it nice? And some pinch of salt. Would you like to put some mayo on this?
Yes.
I'm also putting some mayonnaise. What else would you like to put on this?
Can you put some cheese?
Yes, a cheese slice would be wonderful. You can put cheese. You can put any spread as you like. So here I am putting one cheese slice, and then I will cover up with one other slice of bread. Now can you just see how lovely this looks? So now I'm going to cut this with a knife so that it's easy, and obviously I'll not allow Ojas to use this because he's too small to use knives. Alright, now can we also put it in oven and bake it if you like, or you can put it on tawa and put some butter?
Yeah.
Yes, Ojas loves that, but right now since it is flame free, we are not using this. Put some chutney on this for garnishing. What else would you like to put?
I would like to put some tomato ketchup.
Can you help me out? And I would love to load it with lots of mayonnaise. You cannot cut it, but at least you can.
I can eat it.
Then please try some and show it to everyone how it looks and how it tastes. Here it is. Is it nice?
Yes.
So would you want all your friends to try this at home?
Yes. Yes, it is absolutely very nice.
So, bye bye
Bye-bye.
and stay home,
Stay
stay
safe.
safe. Thank you.